Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, $3 now is the newest area of resistance, and you can actually see that already played out. So the price fell below it and then tried to get back above it right there and couldn't quite do it. So, that's just kind of confirmation that the rule has already gone into effect. Not saying $3 can't be broken, but yeah, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above $3 and then stay up above it. Also keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That's currently valued at 306, but keyword being moving, so that line will move itself further downwards as the week plays out, and therefore that value will change. But as of right now, valued at 306. As far as levels of support are concerned, the next one now that really becomes important is the lows from, let's see, when was that? Back on early August around the $2.85 mark. Right now, it's trying to bottom out a little bit above there, but 285 is more so that keyer level, given that the price, bounced from right there earlier. And then if I expand this out here a little bit, if 285 does not hold, the next key level, which I've talked about in past videos, is down there at 270. But I don't want to talk any further about 270 because as of right now, 285 hasn't even been tested, but that is definitely going to be the near-term level of support that ideally speaking you would want to see hold strong going forward. So overall, quite the bearish day. Now it's just a question of can this price stay up above 285 or is there more bearishness to come? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.